going to my new destination, which is really spicy. And most especially the currency.
3, 2, 1. Good morning. Let me show you my hostel room looks like. So first, you need a key card to enter the room. So the room is kind of messy since it's a hostel. And by the way, I'm prepping things up. So this is my bed and this is my locker. This is a very huge one. You can really fit a lot of luggage and stuff that you have because it's really big. And this is a six-bedroom female dormitory. It has also a balcony, but unfortunately it's locked. And by the way, I paid 160 dong or more or less 250 pesos per night. So there you have it.
Good morning. Now I'm jet lagged and now I'm contemplating if I walk going to the bus station where I will ride going to my new destination, which is and it's 7:59 a.m. na. Ang call time is 8:15 pero ang departure is 8:45. It's just an 11-minute walk. Pero yung blocker kasi sa akin is yung trolley ko. Nonetheless, kaya ko maglakad going there kasi isang liko lang and then after is straight na. Kabisado ko naman yung place, yung bus station na yun kasi nung June doon ako nagstay across nung bus station. Ngayon kasi medyo isang block yung pagitan na like 500 meters away pero yun nga, in total it's 11-minute walk. So, nag-isip ako kung mag-grab ako kasi kapag nag-grab car ako, baka mas traffic. Pero kapag naglakad ako, siguro it will just take me, instead of 11, magiging 15 to 20 kasi may trolley ako. Pero, let's see. Since it's 7:59, kahit pa paano may time pa ako. And, yeah, straight lang naman siya. And besides, sabi ko, 8:45 naman yung alis. May ticket na rin naman ako. Ang call time lang talaga is 8:50. May ticket. I mean, this is the receipt. Tapos, papalitan nila ito ng ticket. Right now, it's me and my big song against the world. Going to the bus station. Well, like what I have said, going to my new destination, which is Phnom Penh, Cambodia. It's gonna be 7 to 8 hours. And let's keep going. Kasi this is one of the struggles here in Vietnam, ang pagtawid talaga. Kahit pa paano sa Pilipinas priority ang pedestrian, pero dito kahit naka-zebra lane ka na, good luck. So, oh my God! Tinulungan niya tayo tumawid kasi grabe talaga. Dito, kahit red light na yung mga vehicles, it's still go for them. So kahit green ang pedestrian, it's still a go for them. It's not a stop for them. So kailangan talaga, it's either malakas yung loob mo or kakapalan yung mukha mo na magpa-assist sa mga tiga dito or sa mga tatauwi. So kung hindi, girl, tegi boom boom ang peg mo talaga pag uwi ng Pinas, nakakahon ka. But anyway, malapit na tayo. So yun, nakadating din tayo dun sa bus station. Kinuha ko lang yung ticket ko and then iniwan ko lang yung bagahe ko and then I also checked my passport. And now, all good. We're just waiting for the bus at around 8:30. Alis na daw yung bus dito going to Phnom Penh. And it just took me 18 minutes papunta doon sa bus station. So, good job. A tap on my shoulder. So, punta muna tayo sa Circle K. Pili muna tayo ng makakain kasi I haven't eaten my breakfast yet and then baon din.
Inside the bus going to Longben, pero magta-transfer bus kami. So, as of the moment, it's just a regular bus and then transfer into sleeper bus. Pero confirm niyo muna ha, kasi ako confirm ko talaga na this bus is going to Longben. Then I asked them, this was a sleeper bus. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, change bus. So, it means transfer bus ang nangyayari. Bumili ng aking ticket going to Longben. Katabi lang sila. Isa lang may-ari yan. This one. Kasi yung guys, usual. Banana bread, yung favorite ko sa kanila. Ito yung sinasabi ko na banana bread shaped like literally a banana. Talagang nahanap ko ito. Kaya nung nakita ko, hinamon ko pa talaga. 17,000. Hindi pa rin kami nakakapag-transfer. Dito pa rin kami sa bus and we're still on our way. With traffic jam, but it's not that tight. And as of the moment, yung view ko, kasi nabuti kami ng traffic light. Alam ko na Lotte Mart dito sa Hanoi, hindi ko yun nakita kung malaki. I wasn't able to have a chance to gallivant there a lot in Hanoi. Dito, I haven't been in Lotte Mart kasi medyo malayo siya sa District 1. But sa susunod na pila ko kasi definitely papalit mo dito. Ayun. Time check, it's 9:24 a.m. So expected to arrive in Cambodia around 3 p.m. or 4 p.m.
Transfer na tayo. Going to Cambodia. Tapos siya kami nang galing sa bus na yan.
Sleeper bus, and this is what it looks like. Pinakanggan na talaga yung sleeper bus na let me show you. And ganyan lang yung itsura niya. Yun na to, may katabi ako. Saka dito, may katabi din. And then ayun yung upper deck. Ang disadvantage nito na may mga dumadaan. Upper deck din. And then, sa kanya yung window side, sana nga sa akin yun para nakikita ko yung view going to Phnom Penh. So ito parang wala talaga akong makikita at all kasi dito ako sa gitna. Nonetheless, okay na.
As of the moment, we're having our toilet break. So, minto kami somewhere. And it says Saigon Petro. So, I think nasa Vietnam pa din kami. And I still do not know yet how many hours going to Cambodia. In fairness, the restroom is clean. Kasi the last time, nagpapunta kami ng Hazang when we were in Hanoi. The restroom was so dirty. Pero eto, in fairness, ang linis ng restroom. Now, hindi pala ako magkakapag-coffee, pero okay lang. So, I guess, kain na lang ako ng pinili. Medyo mahina lang yung boses natin kasi may mga natutulog. Miguel, it is. Alam ko may libing tubig. Ano lang? Parang di pa bibigyan. So another step over earlier, it was just for restroom. Now this is for food. So I think this time I'll take my lunch and coffee. This is how the cabin looks like. And then the other side. So, Bankan, I think that's what I ate last night. So, try natin siya. Different version naman. 60,000 dong 70 pesos in Philippine money as of current conversion. And it's good. It's really spicy. Okay, so I do not know what's this. They just give it to me. I don't know if it's free or with payment. But I don't think it will cost me a lot if it has payment. So it's okay. It's really spicy.
Nalalabas lang namin ng immigration or ng border. Ayun yung border control nila. Ito. And now, okay na. Natatakan na yung passport ko and we're officially in Kingdom of Cambodia. Ayun na, punta na kami sa bus namin. By the way, on our way here, bago kami pumasok kanina ng border control, may nagtitinda ng SIM card and it's cost 150,000 dong. So, already grabbed the opportunity and bought one. And ngayon, okay na. Ang bilis na talaga ng process. So, after bumili ng SIM card, pasok ako sa loob and then right after na tinawag ni pangalan ko, pagkabigay na sa akin, meron ng Kingdom of Cambodia. And then, after nun, lumabas na ako. And ako, so, hindi na ako nakapagbuti doon kasi kapag immigration, alam na natin na bawal. Like, kasama namin. So, ngayon, going to Cambodia.
So, nagkamali ako kanina. Akala ko yun na yung border control ng Cambodia. Yun pala yung border control ng Vietnam. Kaya pala dong yung in-accept nila nung nagbayad ako ng SIM card. Ngayon, after a minute, bumaba kami ulit. And yun na yung border ng Cambodia. Ngayon, nakansel sa bus. Hinihintay namin yung passport namin. So, in short, dalawang beses na yung kami. One is a border control ng Vietnam. Then after na nasakay kayo ng bus. And then, a minute after nun, bababa ulit kayo para naman sa border control ng Cambodia. Okay. Hindi ako nakapag-video since pagbaba namin ng bus. Police or immigration officer na. So, hindi ako sure kung I can capture a video or photo kasi alam naman natin if it's gonna be immigration, bawal ang video, bawal ang photo. So, just to play safe, hindi na lang ako nag-capture ng video or photo. Okay? Ngayon, we're just waiting for our passport to be given to us back. And then, after na alis na kami.
And we are really here now in Cambodia because the vibe is very different and most especially the currency. The currency now is in dollars. So, sign that you're already in Cambodia. Because here in Cambodia, they are accepting two currencies, $1 and then their currency, which is Cambodian Rial. Rial or Riel? So touchdown Phnom Penh, we just arrived. So that's our bus. And ngayon, I'm here at Cafe Amazon, meeting my friend and reuniting with her 5 months. Oh my god. So I just ordered a cafe latte because I haven't had any caffeine in my system. I need one. So syempre, Cafe Amazon tayo muna since medyo aware naman ako na hindi nila paano ko sasabihin, medyo aware naman ako na hindi sila kilala sa coffee.
So ngayon, Cafe Amazon tayo. So by the way, Cafe Amazon is a well-known coffee shop in Thailand. Meron din ito sa Philippines pero hindi siya ganun kasikat like Starbucks. Pero sa Thailand kasi and other part of ASEAN, ang Cafe Amazon para siyang Starbucks. Ganun siya kasikat. Same as the Highlands Coffee sa Vietnam. So ganun magkakahilera sila. Yung Highlands Coffee sa Vietnam, yun yung parang Starbucks, then Vietnamese coffee yun. Tapos yung Cafe Amazon, as far as I know, Thai coffee siya. Tapos kasing sikat siya ng S. And by the way, dito, nung umorder ako, since that they're not accepting card, I paid in USD and it's $1.75. Tapos, they gave me a Cambodian real change. I know, right? And I'm reunited with her again after 5 months! This is Cafe Amazon. Ang ganda ng interior niyo. Having my coffee. First night in Cambodia and first time din mag-experience sa kanilang tuk-tuk. Oo, diba? Support. Thank you! First night. Tuk-tuk in Cambodia. Diba may pailaw si Mayora?
Welcome to Phnom Penh!
I'm officially in Phnom Penh, Cambodia!
Oh my god, so fun! Ano kung hindi ka takot maglakad? It's okay. Walang tuk-tuk, lakad ka lang anywhere.
Oy, nasa Ho Chi Minh, alam mo naman, mahilig ako maglakad.
Babe, I miss you kami na naman. Nakakain naman last month, parang gusto ko na bumalik.
Let's go back tomorrow. Parang ang sarap ng ganun eh, no? Yung nakatira ka sa malalapit yung hindi ka sa Europe, di ba?
Parang siguro nakalimang Vietnam na.
Siguro kung parang ganyan, nasa France tayo. Let's go to Germany tomorrow.
China, wait. Yun ang gusto ko, babe. Next, gusto ko Germany, Switzerland, tapos Amsterdam. Balik na naman bukas sa Germany.
Diba?
That's the life, babe. That's the life.
Claim it.
Time lucid place ka na do that for us. Let's go. Let's go.
Claim it.
Claim it, ha? Manifest natin yun.
Oh,
The best, parang everything guy na I've ever met in my life. I work with so many people. Gino's the best.
Khmer ang tawag sa kanila, di ba? Hindi Cambodia. Khmer. Ha? Kamay? Kamar? Kamay?
Pero spelling.
Kamay?
Yeah.
Joke yun.
Cute, no? No, K-H-M-E-R. Pero kumayan ko.
Lakas magka Brit ha?
I know, yun nga. Yun na nga.
Come on.
Babe, ang dami ditong...
Kala ko Khmer. Kamay pala.
Alam ko, Candy.
Hindi ba? Nakakaloka. This is our neighborhood. We're going to look for a place where we can eat our dinner.
Going to Golden Pumpkin. It's a Western/Asian restaurant. Very nice.
Cute.
I know.
Look at the neighborhood. It's so quiet. So first order of business is gonna be dinner. First dinner here in Cambodia, and we're here in Golden Pumpkin. Let me show you around. She recommended it. So these are the menus. So this is what I ordered. So it's $3.75. And then I ordered juice. So this one, it's $1.50. Again, here in Cambodia, they're accepting two currencies, Cambodian real and then dollars. So if you give them, for example, $2, and the change will be in Cambodian real. Orders just arrived, smoothie and fresh cocoa juice. It's huge, I know. $1.50. In the Philippines, you can buy this for like for 30 pesos. 40. But anyway, we're in Cambodia. First night in Phnom And instead of me eating Khmer food, I'm eating Western food. You know? Well, there's no pho here. There's no pho, right? There's no pho? Yeah, there's no pho. Meal just arrived. So, this is my carbonara, my fresh juice, the burger, smoothie. Very Cambodian food, no? Ewan ko. Yeah, it is what it is. So, let's begin. Kumain na tayo. Finally, I can now eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Ano, pwede na kumain? Ano, nanigas na tuloy yung carbonara, puta. Galing atang murag ito, ha. Tapos naintindihan pala tayo. Medyo kulang yung carbonara sauce na. Pero pwede na. Kasi gutom na ako. Change location kami as of the moment. Nandito kami dun sa katabing restaurant which has live bands. Mamaya mag-start na sila. So I was asking her to come with me in the night market. Malapit sa Riverside pero ayaw niya. Sabi niya sa akin, tumambay na lang daw kami dito sa may live band. So ngayon, eto, kasi hindi ako umiinom ng alcohol. So, pa-bebe tayo. Punta lang kami, chill-chill lang. Kasi ayaw niya sumama sa akin sa night market. Bukas na lang daw. So, okay, bukas. So bukas, ang ID ko is to go to S21. S21 din tawag. And then Russian Market. And then, tingnan natin kung saan pa ako makakarating bukas. Let's try. Ang hirap pag-i-vlogger eh, no? Ang hirap pag-i-vlogger dahil ganito pala